Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Skill Set Go. In the previous videos we have seen some of the logical questions and we have seen the answers for them, and in this video also I will ask you one more logical question. Just try to answer it. You don't require any pen or paper to calculate and answer it. You can listen question carefully and you can answer immediately. So now let's go to the question. There are two elephants. One elephant is facing to the east direction and one more elephant is facing to the west direction. So now they are very thirsty and they need water to drink. So I have taken a water pot and kept the water pot in between them. So one elephant is facing to the east direction and one more elephant is facing to the west direction. I kept a water pot in between them. But the elephants, without turning the other side, they drank water. So how come they are able to drink water without turning the other side? So one is east direction, one is facing west direction. I kept a water between them. So can you guess the answer or how they drank the water without turning the other side? You may say their trunk is very long. No, that is not the correct answer. You can analyze the question once and you can get the answer. While I am telling a question, I have given some actions. You should not concentrate on those actions. You need to concentrate only the question. So the answer is, in question I mentioned one elephant is facing to the east direction and one more elephant is facing to the west direction. So one elephant is facing to the east direction and one more elephant is facing to the west direction. So in between I kept a water pot. So they are facing like this and in between I kept a water pot. So they drank normally, no need to turn the other side. So this is a trick. While I am asking a question, you should not concentrate on my actions. So I guess you got the answer. I hope you liked the question and you can ask the same question to your friends and ask the answer. Please like, share and subscribe my channel Skill Set Go in YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.